I think it's important for executives to think about the Young Professionals Summit and Utility Management Conference as easy workforce development opportunities. Your young professionals who attend this, not only are they going to get access to knowledge, current water issues, executives and leaders in the water space, but they're going to grow their own network of water professionals. Some of the benefits that I would get out of being part of a utility management conference did include access to all the technical knowledge I needed to do my job better and to benefit the utility that I worked for. I also was able to meet with other leaders and exchange ideas, which are core foundational things for the American Water Works Association. But I think the thing I got to do that had the most value for me personally and for my employer was that I was speaking all the time from a podium in front of large groups of people about what my utility was doing and how we were applying the best practices that we had learned from other people. And it was that professional growth that I felt was the highest value that I got from there. And it really was valuable for not just me personally, but also for my utility that I worked for. For all of the seasoned water professionals out there, I'm going to suggest that one of the really great things you can do is to bring a young professional with you to UMC. If they attend the Young Professional Summit before UMC, then you can bridge them right over to the Utility Management Conference. You can share that experience with them. And I can almost guarantee that you will learn as much from them as they will learn from you. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's make it happen. And here's to you.